Howdy y'all, y'all remember the Zune? Cause I don't. Yeah, I didn't have one of these growing up. My first music player was actually an iPod Nano 2nd gen. Jeez, this one was a lot smaller than the other guy. You know, I kind of like how big and bulky the Zune is. Granted, I mean, like you kind of just like lose this in your pocket. Size-wise though, I think this one's more akin to like the normal iPod. Granted, this one's still a little bit thicker, it's a little bit taller, but it's about the same width. But I do kind of like how it feels. Now, I've never used one of these before, so I'm kind of curious to see if this works. And if it doesn't, I do have a spare. And if that doesn't, well, I do have 5 other spares. Granted, these little tiny ones are kind of more like the actual iPod Nano sized one, but these are Zunes, technically. Yeah, I basically ordered a lot of them untested because I don't know what is gonna work and what's not gonna work on these, but I figured it might be fun to actually power these on, see if they boot up at all, and if there's music on it. Well, I got my Zune, definitely not an Apple 30 pin cable, so let's give it a try. So we got 5 of this version of the Zune and 2 of this version. Let's start with this one. Well, that's not a great start. The screen's a little sad on this one. You know, just because the screen's like this doesn't mean it doesn't, you know, work. I am kind of curious if this thing will power on. And I think I have a second Zune cable around here somewhere because I ordered only one and it didn't get here for a long time and I thought I got lost in the mail, so I ordered a second one. And then we got 2 cables. Well, at least this is gonna make trying to go through these a little bit faster. Well, while you're trying to think about all your life choices, let's plug this guy in. Oh, this one's going directly to the Zune screen. Ooh, this one just works. So this isn't a click wheel. This is more like a D-pad. Let's see here. Well, let's see. We got any music on here? Oh, we do. What do we got? Okay, Cher, Dave Matthews, Fleetwood Mac, some Jimmy Buffett, and ooh, John Denver. Not a lot of artists. Not really any playlist. A decent amount of songs though. Person was into country, pop, rock. Oh, we got the essential John Denver. Does that mean Country Road is here? Oh, hey, there it is. Oh, okay, so you select the song and then you hit play? Ooh, I like how it displays the album art. I mean, obviously I can't play the song, so I'll just Country Roads, take me home. And does that go to the next song? Okay, yeah, that does. So kind of fairly what you would expect, but I'm guessing we don't hit, oh, that's volume. Because you know, on an iPod, you would hit up to go back, but it looks like that's the volume. And then back is just this. Oh yeah. Okay, what else do we have on here? Any videos? Nope. What about pictures? Nope. Wait, social? Oh, nearby. Okay, if I can get another one working, maybe I can try to get the social thing up. Oh, this is like the thing where you could like beam your music, I think, over to some other people. Okay, then we got any podcasts on here? Nope. This thing has a radio built in? Oh, that's cool. It actually knows like the station call sign too. Wait, it's showing me the ad for it too? What the heck? Radio is so weird, like how old of a technology it is, but like then it can actually like still fit in metadata and stuff. It's wild. So far, this thing's kind of neat. Ooh, let's see the about. Okay, how much storage is on here? This is a Zune 30. It's only about 1.3 gigs used, so we could put some more music on here. Okay, and I guess if I don't touch the screen long enough, it just like goes back to whatever was playing last. Well, this one works. If I unplug it, is it just gonna lose its battery? Wait, oh, it's still working. On the battery's full? Okay, the battery probably isn't the best, but it's got something. Well, let's put you to the side for right now. We'll check in with this guy in a second. Let's just try powering one of these on. And maybe give it a little bit of a charge, and then we can try to look into this one. Oh, okay, green looks decent, but we're getting it needs battery charge. Okay, it wants a little bit of time to charge. We'll give you a little bit of time to charge. Let's take a look at you. I'm assuming if I unplug it, it's probably just gonna lose all power. Oh, wait, no, it's coming. The Zune's coming up. Okay, hold on. You gotta keep your power for right now, buddy. Man, right as I was just gonna like, you know, rip the cord. Wait, this UI is different. Granted, it's gonna be harder to see because we got what I feel like looks like a silhouette of a person on here. Wait, this kind of looks like a silhouette of Rachel from Blade Runner. Well, the UI is different, so let's see what we can navigate. Jeez, that screen is not good. Well, I mean, at least the unit works. This might just be a screen and battery replacement. Oh, there's community. Oh yeah, this UI is completely different. Oh, we got something in the inbox. Red balloons? 99 red balloons is apparently on that. Don't know what that is. Do you have any pictures on you? No pictures. What about videos? No videos. You gotta have music on here, right? We do got music, cool. Okay, I know that's the album art for Abbey Road. Yep, that's definitely Abbey Road. Oh, there's some Green Day on here. Let's just go to artist. I mean, we're gonna have the best luck by just scrolling down and using the actual good part of the screen. Oh, we got Backstreet Boys. What Backstreet Boys songs do they have? What makes you different? Okay. The Beatles, the Black Eyed Peas. Oh, Bowling for Soup. Jeez, this person had a lot of music on here. Ooh, Coldplay. They got Viva La Vida? No, they don't. They have the other albums though. They have, oh, they have all parachutes? Okay, hold on. So we got parachutes. Oh, that's cool how you can just kind of go between the albums here. I like like that. So we got parachutes, a rush of blood to the head, and X and Y. I mean, this looks like a rush of blood to the head. Now, it would truly be a me iPod if this thing had both Coldplay and Linkin Park on it. You know, two things you would never expect to be together, but yeah, that was on my iPod in high school. Oh wait, did I just see Crazy Frog? Oh yeah, we got Crazy Frog. Jeez, this person had a lot of music. Oh, Hans Zimmer? Okay, what Hans Zimmer songs are there? Oh, the Pirates of the Caribbean soundtrack. Oh, and you can just kind of like go through the artist display, a High School Musical. I'm actually kind of digging the UI on these. Jeez, I've been scrolling for a while and I've only like just gotten to M. Okay, now I'm at N. Oh, that means no Linkin Park, dang it. Oh, we got Randy Newman. Oh, you got a friend in me. That's fun. I mean, I'll need to see if I can get this one to actually like plug into a computer. It'd be interesting to see how much I could pull off it up, and I've already looped back. That is so much music. Can I see like how much is being used? I think this is about down here. Storage. Only 2 gigs are used? I think that means 2 gigs are used. 641 songs. Wow, this one was being used pretty well. Well, that's neat. Now what happens if I take off the plug? Does it got a good battery? Nope, battery is not good. Wait, no, battery is good. Yo, I'm kind of 1.75 for 2. We'll take a look at you in a second. Let's start charging up another guy. Whoa, this one's going just straight to the Zune screen. I'm getting some good rolls today. Ooh, that's a fun background. Oh, but I can't. I'm having trouble navigating though. I mean, is it different on these? Well, might have a bad D-pad on here. When I pressed hard, it like freaked out for a second. And I'm assuming when I do this, yep, battery dead. But I mean, that's also could just be it's isn't holding a charge. The screen on here is actually also pretty nice. Okay, yeah, that D-pad's not working, so we could just replace that. Okay, well, let's plug another one in. And that one goes just straight to the boot screen. Okay, that's like the default one. Okay, D-pad works on this one. You got music? Oh yeah, oh, we also got Coldplay on here. We got Viva La Vida? Okay, yeah, there it is, Viva La Vida. We also got one of their other albums too, so between these 2 Zunes, we're getting a complete Coldplay collection. Oh, well, I gotta know, is it all of Viva La Vida? Uh-oh, did I freeze it? I think I froze it. Wait, it's not a D-pad? Oh, this isn't a D-pad. You just kind of like, you can scroll? Or is that me? Or is that like it catching up with all my inputs? No, I think I can scroll. Oh yeah, that's totally scrolling. Yeah, Viva La Vida. Ooh, the Killers. Do we have, yeah, we got Mr. Brightside. I listened to that song in Fortnite. M83, some Muse. Okay, not a lot of songs on here. I guess we can check real quick. Oh, there's pictures on here. There's pictures in one video, and 1.5 gigs are used. Oh, this will be interesting. What happens if we click on social? Okay, so they weren't very social. What's that video? Oh, okay, well the video is just like, yeah, this is the Welcome to Zune video. Okay, well, that's not as fun. But what about photos on here? Here comes the scary part. Wait, unless like all of these just came with the Zune? I don't know, these look, oh wait, no, these look pretty stock. These like look stock photo-y. Yeah, these look like they came with like the thing, so it's like a background or something. Oh, I guess I have to like turn it and stuff. Oh, it's a nice little fun bird. These are some nice backgrounds though. Oh, sweet. Well, that's a nice little thing. Oh, games? Got any games on your phone? We got Texas Hold'em, Sudoku, and Space Battle, and ooh, Hexic. Yeah, that's on the Xbox. Well, here we can give that a try to Hexic on Zune. Well, that's loading. How's this guy doing? Any luck, buddy? Okay. Ooh, you know, I've never actually played Hexic. I guess I just kind of like move around a little bit and try to make some patterns. Oh, there you go. There's some patterns. It's like bejeweled a little bit. Yeah, this guy's not wanting to turn on. Maybe he just needs a little bit more time. All right. Can't wait for the battery to just not work on this one. Yep. Yeah, I didn't expect that battery to last. So there's only 2 gigs available on this. Oh, no, there's 4 gigs, 4 gigabytes. Oh, we got a little hello from Seattle. So far, doing pretty good for just getting an untested lot. And another one going straight to the Zune screen. That's a good sign. Got any games? Okay, same kind of games. So it looks like these are just like the default games it comes with. And let's just head straight to about. Okay, those aren't stock photos. There is stuff on this one. Oh, man. Oh, someone's life is on here. Okay, well, let's just go to the thing we can look, well, kind of. Let's look at music, a bunch of Christian gospel and electronic. Well, let's start with the videos. I thought it said I had multiple videos. LJ 25th anniversary, what? It's 12 minutes long. Oh, this is somebody's anniversary video. I don't want to show the people in this, but there's a bunch of like black and white photos of what I'm assuming are these 2 people from their childhood. I think it said Louis and Juliet. That's wild. Okay. Anything in social? Nothing in social. But now the pictures, someone's like whole life is, oh, wow. I'm just looking at the face of a Zune owner right now. Oh, they had a cat. I'll show the cat. And they had a little cat. And they had 2 cats. Wherever they live, they get 6 inches of snow, and I've never seen that in my life. We got some more pictures of the kitties. This one does not like having its photo taken. The other one is not so happy either. And they had a trip to Hawaii. Yeah, their entire trip is here, but this is from like 2008. Got some photos of the beach. Anybody want to take a guess what car they rented for their trip? It was a PT Cruiser. Got some beautiful things of fish. Oh, they have like a whole bunch of photos of like renewing their wedding vows. This is just as lovely. Let's put this one for the side for right now. I guess the battery doesn't work. We'll call you Hawaii. Did you want to come back to life yet? No? Okay. Okay, well this one didn't immediately come into the screen. Yeah, this one's not getting any power. This one, starting to look like a dud. Let me try power cycling this one. Yeah, no, you want battery. Well, it's looking like this one's a little bit sad too. While we're at it, see, I think this was the one that didn't have the battery. Yeah, it was. Okay, this one just has like a decent battery. Let's try sending like one of those sunset photos from this to this. I would like to see if that's possible. And we'll just leave them both plugged in. So let's see how difficult it is to send something from one Zune to another. I'm guessing I go to social, find each other. Find them. Oh, hey, they got names. Okay, so this one is called Lewis, and this one is called T for Tunes. Okay, T for Tunes. Well, how do I send something? Do I just like go to pictures and here, we'll try sending this picture of this cat over to here. Oh, here we go. Connecting. We're getting it somewhere. Yes. Give me the photo of the kitty. There it is. We got it. We got the cat. Wow, this screen actually looks really good. I mean, like, I understand the portability of like having like the tiny one here, but like, this is a good screen to kind of have your family photos on if you kind of want like a photo device that isn't, because it feels like just looking at a digital camera from the time. That's awesome. The fact that you just had wireless built in, you could just send someone like a photo. That was neat. And now there's this guy on this thing. I just want to see real quick if we try to get the one that didn't have a good pad on there to see if it actually is fine. Okay, yeah, that's just straight up not reading inputs. Well, that's a little unfortunate. I'll need to see about repairing some of these in the future, so expect another video about that. I think some other time I'll try actually getting some like music on here, but I'm just ecstatic that we were able to get all of this working, and I don't want to make this video longer than it needs to be. Well, now I know at least I got, you know, Rachel from Blade Runner, and I got this one with the cat, and then I got the Hawaii one, and this one, which will probably work if I put these three in together, and then this one actually works too. Granted, it's all gonna need new batteries and stuff, so I'll probably need to make a video where I'm like have like the batteries and stuff in it, but I'll just need to make sure I get all the parts before I do an actual repair on these. And then when I do the repair, I can try putting music over it. I know there's solid state mods for these too, so I might need to look into that. But that's gonna be it for now. So long, y'all. Kitty.